So this year I'm keeping hair reviews short, snappy and informative. So let's try and keep this under 5 minutes.
Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Hey people, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Gina, G-A-Goa, G-Unit, G Money, G whatever, G everything. You guys already know the drill. You can call me whatever you like as long as you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, it's just Gina to you. So today I'm back with another hair review. But yeah, I'm switching up hair reviews now. I need them to be under 5 minutes. Step 1, the hair itself. I need to give you guys all the flipping details. Guys, this hair is from LONGQI hair. It's Brazilian straight. I got 3 bundles, 18 inch, 20 inch and 22 inch, and I got closure, which was 18 inch as well. Did I really just say I got closure? Damn, I need to pattern. The hair was made by me. Well, not the hair, the wig was made by me, and all of the bleaching and the processing and the lusciousness was made by me. Step 2, the shipping. Guys, the shipping literally took like 3 days. The process, so the wig making process, I loved it. Like, this hair is just so easy to work with. I don't know, it was like really silky. Like there's no like there was no complications in terms of like making the wig or anything. No shedding whatsoever. That's what I love about LONGQI hair. But even the long hair that I got before, the 30-inch hair, it doesn't shed. So that's what I love about LONGQI hair. Now let's get into the whole bleaching process. I'm gonna insert clips probably as an overlay of me bleaching the hair. In the beginning you can see the hair is quite silky because I move it around. The hair is still, like, what I love is the fact that the hair is really soft. However, the hair does shed a little bit after bleaching, but isn't that expected though? Like, you're frying the hair, like it's gonna shed a little bit. And also I found that I dried it out a little bit, but I feel like maybe because I didn't condition my hair, so that's what I need to do. I just need to condition it a bit. But I do put some olive oil in it and straighten it, and it just looks luscious. And last but not least, guys, the hair now. What's the hair now like? Like, I've basically said it in step 3 already. The hair is still very soft, as you can see. I'm even running my hands through it now, and it's not shed at all, which is perfect. But I just feel like, you know, when it gets tangled in your comb bin, it like all hair sheds at that point. So I don't know, but yeah, like, it's really soft. Look, no complications. There's no, you know, sometimes you put it through, you're like, nope, this is straight up. And I don't know if you can see from that how soft it is. Like, this hair is so soft. Let me just show you guys the end. So yeah, this is what I mean. Like, just after frying it, it's only the ends that were really like affected. But I really love this hair. We're trying to keep hair reviews out here short, snappy, but very informative. So I hope I've done that. Hope you guys like, comment, share and subscribe. Remember to follow me on my Snapchat, my Instagram and my Twitter, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give